Disposable face masks could be releasing tiny pieces of plastic and toxic chemicals into the environment. That's according to scientists at Swansea University. Their research has shown heavy metals and plastic fibres are released when throwaway masks are submerged in water. They also say their impact on public health needs more research, but people should continue to wear them. Ben Price reports.
Many of us have them, and most of us have worn one during the past year. But there's concern about the impact of disposable face masks on the environment. Researchers at Swansea University have tested a variety by submerging them in water. The water is then filtered and the remains are studied through a microscope. What they found is that each mask contained tiny plastic particles and other potentially harmful chemicals.
In one face mask, we're looking at parts per million, parts per billion level, which obviously seems very small, but on an environmental scale, with the amount of production of these things, it all accumulates. And a lot of these compounds that we find, especially things like lead, cadmium as heavy metals, they're bioaccumulative. So that means they will build up over time. And that's what's quite shocking, really.
It's believed the pollutants could be linked to dyes used while producing the disposable masks. Most of them are made in Asia. The work here is looking at the environmental impact of disposable face masks like these, but researchers are keen to point out that the benefits of wearing a face mask during a pandemic to our health far outweigh any risks involved, but they are keen to continue investigating the procedures involved in making them. The team wants to further investigate the potential impact of the pollutants on public health and hope the current research will ensure the production of more environmentally friendly masks.
Before the pandemic, we were looking at reducing plastic straws, reducing packaging, but now we are looking at hundreds and thousands of these masks being used and disposed. This is very unfortunate, but again, we need to have our priorities. So first of all, we need to get over this pandemic. We need to protect each other. We need to protect the public health. And then in the meantime, we have to take certain steps to protect the environment.
Swansea University says more work is needed in this field. In the meantime, it wants to reassure the public of the need to continue wearing face masks during the pandemic.